Alright, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy your color grades between various tracks within your video project. This is going to save you a lot of time on your color grading, especially if you're using video files that have very similar lighting, or like in my case, identical lighting, where I just have everything preset for when I need to record. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as you can see, I already have a color grade applied to this video track right here where I'm wearing the blue shirt. You can see in the other two, the background is looking a little bit yellow. My skin is very orange. It doesn't look right. So if I wanted to copy over my color grade, I'm just going to go into the color tab and we can get started from here. So you can see within that file, I do have a color grade applied here. And if I wanted to copy it to the other two tracks, all I have to do is highlight the other two by clicking Shift and clicking on both of them. And then I just have to middle click on the one that has the color grade applied. And as you can see, if I go to the blue one, there's my color grade. If I go to the green one, there's that same color grade. And the red shirt file, there's that same color grade again. And it's honestly that easy. It takes less than a minute to copy everything over. And I know for some of you that don't know this trick, this could save you an absolutely massive amount of time. So I just wanted to share that with everyone else that's doing any sort of color correction, color grading. And this even works if you're doing things like noise reduction, sharpening, things like that. So absolutely anything that you have applied in your color tab, you can just copy over to the other tracks just by clicking it and then hitting the middle button. And there you go. If that video was helpful at all, let me know in the comment section below, as well as letting me know what you'd like to see in future episodes. Again, I want to create content that you want to see, so let me know what it is that you want to see moving forward. And as always, if you wanted to support the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If not for me, for Kit over there, who was quiet and asleep throughout the entire recording and setup process for once. And as always, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye now.